How you doing?
Who's driving?
Me.
You were driving?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a license, registration, proof of insurance on you?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, go ahead and grab everything.
Go ahead.
So whose vehicle is whose?
This one
OVI with two vehicles. One's a
This one's yours?
dark ram, green in color, and the other is a silver ram.
Ma'am, could you get your license, registration, and proof of insurance for me as well, please?
Yep.
Were you a passenger in the vehicle, sir?
Was I?
Yeah, were
Yes,
you?
I was.
Okay. So you're in the passenger seat. Are you injured at all? Because the airbag went off.
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Ma'am, are you injured at all?
What?
Are you injured?
No.
Okay.
22717. 22717. 288, switch. Go 288.
Here's my license and my, yeah.
I spoke with the manager. They opened last week for business. I'll be Edward.
Do you have a proof of insurance card as well?
So I just got insurance for my car, and like I have it like on my phone, but like I don't have the actual card yet.
Okay.
It's taken like over a month for it to like send to me, but I have it on my phone.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
You've drank absolutely nothing tonight?
Yeah, nothing.
Okay. Have you used any drugs or anything else like that? Anything else on board?
No, my friends, I picked them up from the village idiot. That was it.
Are you injured?
No,
I'm totally
already
fine.
asked that. Okay. So how did this happen? Like why did you hit multiple
when
cars?
I was driving this way, there was a car driving this way, and I tried to get over, but like with this car, I just bought this car like a month ago.
Okay.
So I still don't like. I'm not like with my old car. Like I knew like the limits, so I was trying to get over, but I didn't want to hit any of these cars. So I tried to get over more than like what I'm used to.
Okay.
I kind of hit that, like, you know what I mean.
Okay. All right, ma'am. Let's go up to the front of my car here. I'm gonna finish getting the rest of your information.
Yeah. This one right here.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to this side.
No, just stand up in front. I'm gonna get a phone number and stuff like that from you. Can you hold this?
I'm sorry, this is my first time ever like being like I've never been pulled over before, so I'm like shaky because I'm like scared.
You're fine. All right. One more time with your address. So you're the registered owner of the car, or is?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I literally just bought this car like a month and maybe a week ago. So like.
Did you hand me insurance?
No, I told you it's on my phone. I haven't gotten the card yet, but I have like the insurance card on my phone.
Do you have your phone on you?
I honestly don't know where it's probably in my car, but I probably like flew for it. I can find it for you if you need me to.
Okay, we'll worry about that here in a minute. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. All right, with this scene and the odor of alcohol I'm getting from you in the vehicle, okay. I'm gonna make sure that you haven't drank anything and make sure you're good to go. Okay.
That's fine. I'm sorry, my toes are numb, and I've literally worn these boots twice in my life, so like.
You're good. Have a seat on my bumper there, like in between this speaker and the side there.
Okay.
Yep, and then kick your legs out to about here.
Okay.
And then stand with your feet together and your arms.
I can't even make. Like my boot. Can I take my? Can I?
I don't care. Okay. Whatever you want to do.
Can I take my boots off
Yeah.
for it? Okay. I'm sorry, but these. Yeah, I bought it a month and a half ago.
I thought it was using the car.
Oh, I do not. I'm sorry. These boots are like brand. I don't know if you. I don't know. Like probably not you too, but you ever buy like Doc Martens before? Okay, so they're like really tough to walk in, especially when they're brand new, and I just bought these. I wore them out one time, and this is my second time ever wearing them.
Okay. You just go ahead and put your jewel either on the hood or in your pocket. Doesn't matter to me.
Okay. Sorry.
How old are you, miss?
I'm 18.
You're 18. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so go ahead and have a seat on my bumper. Kick your feet out a little bit. It's about here. So put both your feet out here. Like, so you're,
I can't
so
sit
you're
here,
leaning down.
like, in my, like,
Just need you to lean on it, that's all.
oh, okay.
And then keep your hands out in front of you, okay?
Okay.
Like down. You can just put them down, rest them on your lap. All right, so what's going to happen is I'm going to check your eyes first, okay? My finger's going to go across in a horizontal plane.
Yeah.
I want you to follow the very tip of my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head at all, okay?
Okay.
So again, just follow the tip of my finger, eyes and your eyes only. Stay in the position to have you, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. See my finger, okay?
Yep.
All right, follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Still see it okay?
Yeah.
All right.
You told me to, like...
Yep, just keep looking at it.
Alright. Sorry.
You're good.
I'm sorry, this light is really hurting my...
All right. So I'm trying not to point at
fine.
you.
No, I get you. I
just have to see what I'm doing,
I
that's
just
all.
have really sensitive eyes.
Okay.
My feet are really cold. I'm sorry.
We're almost done with this
No,
part,
I
okay?
know. It's okay. I get it.
Keep looking at it. See my finger?
Sorry. Okay, yeah.
Keep looking at it. Sorry. Start again.
I'm sorry. My feet. No.
We're almost done. We're almost done. Okay, now we're going to go up. Same thing, okay?
Okay.
Just up and down this time.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I want you to do is stand on my light here.
Okay.
I want you to take your right foot, place it in front of your left so you're standing heel to toe, just like this for me, okay? Go ahead and get in that position now. Yep, so you're standing heel to toe, arms on your side.
Okay.
Right in front of your left. I want you to remain in this position while I'm giving you instructions, okay?
Alright.
I want you to imagine that there's a line coming. Get back in position for me, please. I want you to imagine there's a straight line coming out from your tip of your toe, about the length of 9 steps long, okay?
Okay.
I want you to, when I tell you to, not now, but when I tell you to.
I'm so nervous and my feet are
Do you want to put your shoes back on?
No.
Okay. I want you to take 9 heel-toe steps on that imaginary line, okay? While you're taking each step, I want you to count each step out loud, look down at your feet, keep both arms on your side, walk heel-toe on that imaginary line. I want you to keep your lead foot on the line and take a series of small steps and take 9 more back. I'm going to demonstrate it for you, okay? I'm only going to do 3, you're going to do 9, okay? So you're in this position here. When I tell you to begin, 1, 2, 3. Now, assuming this is your 9th step, keep your lead foot on the line, take a series of small steps with the other foot and take 9 more back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9.
9 forward and 9 backward.
9, not backwards. I
Well, like,
back the way you came, okay? Do you have any other questions about it?
I don't think so.
Do you understand the instructions?
Yes.
Before I have you begin, I want you to get back in position for me. So you stand heel toe, right in front of your left, arms on your side, okay?
My toes are numb, but yeah.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, ma'am, you may begin, okay?
Okay. 1, wait, you want me to count out loud?
Yep.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Keep your arms on your side. Look down your feet.
8,
arms down to your side.
9. Then you want me to turn?
Exactly how I demonstrated it.
Cool. So then I go left foot in front of my right, right?
Exactly how I demonstrated it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Look down your feet.
4,
arms on your side.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. And then I want you to stand here for me and face me. Arms, feet together, arms on your side, okay?
Okay.
When I tell you to begin, I want you to, not now, but when I tell you to begin, I want you to lift one foot of your choosing off the ground. For my demonstration purposes, I use my right foot. You don't have to.
Okay.
I want you, while that foot's lifted off the ground, I want you to look down at the foot that's raised. I want you to count out loud 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Keep both arms on your side, both legs straight as possible. The foot that's raised 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground. So this is the ground, here's your foot.
Okay.
I want it parallel to the ground, and I want both legs straight as possible while you're counting out loud, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to demonstrate it for you.
Yes, please.
So when I tell you to begin, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop. So I'm going to tell you when to start and when to stop, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
Not really.
Okay. Whenever you're ready, you may begin, okay? Go ahead, begin.
1001.
Keep your arms on your side, look down your feet.
1003.
Look
Okay,
down your
I have
feet.
terrible balance.
Why?
I have terrible balance. I just passed like 2 of your sobriety tests, dog.
They're not pass or fail, ma'am. How can you pass something that's not pass or fail?
I'm telling you, you asked me to walk a straight line. You asked me to follow your finger.
Okay, but they're not pass and fail.
Okay, great.
So you can't pass them or fail them.
At this point, can I call my, okay, all right.
Do you want to do the test?
No, it's fine. Let's do it then.
All right. Go ahead and begin.
So you said 1001 until you told me to stop?
You're going to count out loud till I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Do you have any other questions?
No, it's fine.
All right, go ahead and begin.
1001.
Keep your arms on your side.
1002.
Look down your foot.
1003. 1004. 1005. 1006. 1007. 1008. 1009.
Look down at your foot.
1010.
Look down at your foot.
1011. I can't. I have terrible balance like that.
Keep going.
Okay. Do you want me to start again, or do you want me to start
I want you to keep going.
Okay. 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016.
All right, you can stop.
17.
Go ahead and face my car for me. You're under arrest for OVI.
For what?
Turn around, put your hands behind your back right now.
Oh, right.
You're under arrest for OVI. You definitely drank tonight.
Great. Breathalyze me then.
Oh, we're gonna get there.
Oh, are we?
Stop moving.
I'm not moving. What?
If you move, I'm not gonna have the handcuffs on right.
The more cooperative you are, the more I understand. I'm saying I passed 3 of your sobriety
It's not pass or fail. It was not pass or fail.
Oh, was it? Okay.
It's not pass or fail. They're all indicators.
Could you search her and make sure she's got nothing on her?
Stay right there. I'll stay right here. You have anything on you that's gonna poke me or stick me?
No, I won't. I didn't. The only thing in my pocket is vape.
Spread your legs for me, please.
I'm 18. I picked my friends up from the car, and I'm completely sober.
Well, you're gonna have an opportunity to prove me wrong.
And I proved you wrong 3 times
I don't
in
think
your
so,
field
man.
sobriety.
Go ahead and have a seat in my passenger.
Wow, great. Let me low for you, and I'll
Listen to me.
0.0. I don't give a
Cooperative, you're going to jail.
And great, guess what? I'm being cooperative.
You're not being cooperative, so I guess you're going to go to jail then if you're not cooperative. We'll let you call for a ride if you calm down, but if you don't calm down, you're going to jail. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead and open up your mouth for me. Lift up your tongue. 142 dispatch. I have 1 female in custody.
Listen,
No, I don't. Yeah,
I've already talked to you twice,
Yeah.
Are you gonna go with your friend?
Yeah, I am. I just want to make sure. I'm pretty sure she was sober tonight, and I just want to make sure.
Well, I want to make sure you get home and not get arrested.
No, I know. I just wanted to make sure, in case anything that's going on is here, because I can call my father, and I know he's 100% sober, and I was pretty sure she was sober. I just want to make sure that, who can I call to pick her up or anything tonight? I just want to make sure that she's okay.
She's 18 years old. She's an adult.
Okay.
She can call someone if she has a phone. Right?
Yeah,
But-
I'd assume she has one.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'll find her.
I just want to make sure she was okay. I was just trying to. I don't want to
Go with you.
You're all set.
You want me to go down with you to back to the station?
Alright, thank you. I really appreciate it.
Okay.
Take it easy,
Yeah.
alright?
Thank you guys.
Yep.
I appreciate it for your cooperation.
You going? Is he walking home?
There's two friends. They live right up the street.
Okay.
The one friend, she's good, and I told her to keep an eye on both of them till they get home. Yeah.
Do you want to do the crash portion of this?
Oh, I got no choice. You got the OVI portion of this.
Sorry, bro. I recognized it.
No.
I just want to make sure before I take off that someone was going to do the crash.
Yeah, doing it. I'm just kidding. No, I've got it.
Alright, man, thank you.
Is she gonna get booked, man?
Probably. She's being
With her attitude.
Yeah, I figured.
Alright, let's get rolling.
I'll meet you down there, yep. Let me know if you need anything, buddy.
Yeah.
Did you guys grab my off the hood of the car?
I grabbed your shoes. The rest of it was put in the car.
Okay, that's okay. I just wanted to make sure that you guys weren't driving around with like my registration title.
Ma'am, I did that once and I learned my lesson.
Okay. Alright, I feel you. Look, I'm not here to be a dick, like...
Oh, I know, ma'am. I just...
Is this your phone?
Yes, that's my phone.
Okay. Yeah. And like officer told you, as long as you're cooperative tonight,
No, I know.
you'll be able to call a ride tonight.
No, I understand. You guys are doing your job.
While processing the suspect on scene, the arresting patrol officer was presented a second license, found by the backup patrol officer in the suspect's purse.
They keep the license on them at all times.
Chloe?
That's like the only reason I asked that. I wasn't trying to be like...
Is your name Chloe?
Oh, that's weird because I got a license right here.
This one expired.
Probably. Or it's a temp.
No, this is the right one. When's that one?
Wait a minute. This is fake.
What's good?
You said you're 18, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that one says she's 22. When's your birthday?
January 22nd, 2004.
This is fake.
So you guys went through my...
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Alright,
prior?
that's fine.
No priors, but she's got a fake ID, so...
Yeah, that's alright.
Here's your phone. She's your wallet. I want for her.
It was a big idea.
Do you want her wallet?
Yeah.
Seen anything else from the car, so we're not
No.
double back. This phone, see their phone, get the wallet.
That's horizontal ones.
Is it a real one, or is
This is a fake.
Chloe, I got your phone, your purse.
27
Oh, so it's just somebody else.
Do
Looks
you
like
actually
her.
have my purse or do you have...
227?
Fake, because this is her real ID.
It's just your hand wallet.
420.
No, I'm just saying it's a real idea. It's just not.
Individual sleeping in the car. Vehicles
I mean,
running.
like this.
That person, yeah. I mean, it's close.
That's a real.
but not her.
Yeah, that's not.
Copy.
She knows someone that they gave her this, basically.
I think our D's are all the
Well, she
way.
had to say it's okay.
With her name and address.
Oh, it's the same name.
It's the same name.
Oh, hold on a second.
It's got the same name on it.
I'm trying to tell you.
Oh.
It just takes people a while sometimes.
Special people.
John Edward, 173.
You can see it doesn't have like the reflective like the regular one does.
That feels weird.
Copy on John Edward,
I thought it was
1734.
the friends, but yeah, look at the.
Dispatch hitting off.
There you go. Cool. Good.
Sure, hitting off. Have a good night.
I'm starting to have a panic attack and I'm starting to feel like I can't breathe.
We're going 2
So
blocks.
can we like do something right now other than sit here?
Going 2 blocks. Relax.